So now after we're doing some styles, it is time to do some migrations, and I will come back to this button. I'll try to change it later to match some YouTube, the YouTube button, subscribe button. But for this time now we'll go and create model, PHP artisan make model. It will be subscription with migration, of course. And I'll go to this migration file and then create the table. I'll go to the migration, which is basically subscription table. I will add basically two columns here. One, so will be one for unsigned big integer, unsigned big integer, and the other one will be channel ID. So it'll be user ID and channel ID. I don't want timestamps. Then going back to the migration, PHP partition migrate. Okay, so the table is created. Now we'll do some, that's as usual, some models changes or add some the relationships. So we'll start with subscription, because very simple. We'll add protected, guarded to be empty array, protected, and then also we don't forget that we disable the timestamps. So it'll be timestamps equal false. And also now we'll jump to the user. We'll have some models there and the users. Okay, so first one is very simple, subscriptions. So it'll be one to many. User has many subscription. This has many subscription class. Okay, and same thing for channel. I will jump to the channel now. Channel again will be the same thing. I will go back and forward. Subscriptions the same, subscriptions, so we don't make mistakes. I want to just make sure the spelling is right, subscriptions. And I'll go back to the user, and the user we need to add also another method, which is now this will give us subscriptions but will not give us the name of the channel. So because there is no name inside the table here. For example, if I go refresh here, okay, in the subscription I don't have the name. So again I need to go and fetch the channel information later when I need them. But I will, for example, all subscribe, all channels, for example, or subscribed channels. It will be retain. I will retain this subscription belongs to many. Sorry, it belongs to many, to channel class, but through subscription table, subscriptions table. So I'll get all the channels that the user subscribed as model, not only the number. Third one and final one is user subscribed to this channel is subscribe to, then I will receive the channel. This will help us in few places, like for example the button, when we need to switch from gray to red, for example. So retain this. Since I wanted true and false, I will cast this to boolean. So it will be subscription. I will get this subscription, and then what I will do, I'll say where channel ID equal to the channel ID I'm getting, and then I will count. If it is count, then this will be true, otherwise it will be false. This will be channel, then ID, like this. Okay, so we have three models here. We'll go also to the channel. What we need also, we need how many people subscribe to this channel. So it will be subscribers. This should be very simple. Retain this subscriptions, which is this relationship, but I won't count. So it will return me the count subscribers for this channel. So I think we are done with the relationships. Very simple. We have subscription, subscribers, we have user. When we want to make sure that he is assigned or subscribed to this channel or not, the subscribe channels and the subscription relationships. So I think we are done with the table and migration.